Today I'm going to review a head shaver that was sent to me by Seajoy. If you've never tried a head shaver like this, described as a 7D floating head and 5-in-1 electric shaver, the Seajoy head shaver truly is a bald man's best friend. Now this is everything that comes inside the box. You have 3 hair trimming combs coming in at 3, 5, and 7 millimeter. The 7-head electric razor. You have this facial cleaning brush. You have this massage brush. And you have this nose and ear trimmer. It has USB-C quick charging and 3 personalized speed settings on a 900 milliamp battery that will charge up in 1.5 hours to give you about 100 minutes of shaving time. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable, and it comes with this little plastic shield to protect it when you have it just hanging around in the bathroom. So let's get right into it. The LED high definition smart display shows you how much battery life you have left, so you're always reminded when it's time to charge again. The display also shows what RPM you're shaving at. There's these 2 buttons here where you can control the RPM setting to something higher or lower. My absolute favorite thing about this head shaver is how well it contours to your head. I've only really tried one other head shaver like this, but this one definitely just feels like it molds to my head better. Before we get into the shave, I just want to get into some of the features of the product, and definitely stick around for this because I actually almost broke mine. Compared to the other foil shaver that I have, that one you kind of pick at the foils to pop the foils open to clean it. On this one, it's actually kind of like an all-in-one magnetic piece, so you just actually pop it right off when it comes to clean it, which I actually like quite better because it just makes it a lot easier to clean and dry. This device is IPX7 waterproof, so you can definitely shave in the shower with it, as well as shaving in front of your mirror just dry. For myself, I like to shave my head about every 2 or 3 days, and this is about 3 days worth of growth for me right now. I'm gonna shave one side of my head here with the Seajoy so you can see how quickly it works and how close of a head shave it provides. And then on the other side, I'm gonna actually use my trusty Defender razor, which you guys know I love if you've seen my other videos. The nice thing with a head shaver such as the Seajoy is that you're less likely to get any kind of razor burn or scratches or cuts or anything like that. Now I'm going to show you guys as much as I can once I've shaved both sides here with the 2 different products, how close of a shave they both provide. And you'll notice you probably can't really tell the difference just looking at it. Although I can tell you that to the touch, I can definitely tell that the Seajoy side, there's a little bit more friction when I rub my hand across my head. On the Defender razor side, it's pretty much as smooth as it gets. What I like about using the Seajoy head shaver better is how quickly you can actually get a head shave in. Not to mention when it comes to the cleaning, right? Like if you're using shave soap or shave gel for a head shave, you're gonna make a bigger mess. There's always a bigger mess when you're using like a regular razor with some sort of shaving gel or something like that. And you just don't get that with these foil shavers because all the hair gets captured inside the foil shaver, and then pretty much you just rinse it out with water and you're good to go. The Seajoy doesn't cut as close as Defender razor, but you're also less likely to get any kind of razor burn or anything like that. Next up, you should check out one of these 2 shaving related videos. It's going to change your life. And if you're into these short, to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.